Vips has become Norway's go-to app for fast, simple, and secure peer-to-peer payments. It completely transformed how people transfer money, pay for services, and handle group expenses. With just a few taps, users can send or request money instantly using a mobile number, no need for account numbers or complicated forms. What makes Vips truly stand out is its ease of use and how it fits seamlessly into everyday life, from casual moments with friends to professional transactions. One of the most common and practical examples is splitting a restaurant bill. Imagine you're out with friends, one person pays the total, and within seconds, everyone Vipses their share directly to that person. No need for cash or bank transfers. The transaction is immediate and transparent. Another scenario is shared travel costs. Whether it's a weekend road trip or a taxi ride home, Vips makes it easy for multiple people to contribute their portions without delay or awkward reminders. Vips is also perfect for small community or club collections. Organizers can set up a payment request for events, membership dues, or fundraising. Everyone receives a notification and can contribute instantly, keeping records clean and traceable. For family situations, parents often use Vips to send money to their children for allowances or emergencies, providing a quick way to manage household support without visiting a bank. Many people also use Vips for buying and selling used items. Whether it's furniture, electronics, or second-hand clothes, Vips provides a secure and instant payment method between private individuals. Sellers can verify payment on their phone before handing over the item, reducing the risk of fraud. Additionally, Vips integrates with small businesses, allowing freelancers, barbers, or local vendors to receive payments directly through the same peer-to-peer system, fast, reliable, and easy to track. These practical examples show why Vips is more than just a payment app. It has evolved into a lifestyle tool for handling everyday financial interactions effortlessly. From splitting bills to small business payments, Vips continues to set the standard for convenience, trust, and simplicity in digital money transfers.